Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will presentation about our PowerPoint about PBL. Our project PBL title is Basic Photo and Video Digital Camera User Guide. Next. The project manager is Mr. Ardiman Fernanda, SST. Tim project Arya Belher Ramadan, me as leader. Rega Ardika Putra, Ilham Syarif, Muhammad Ramadan Syaputra, Amar Farauda Karimsyah, Almadita Zulfa. Next. Project description. This project aims to provide a complete guide for users who want to understand and utilize digital cameras for basic photo and video shooting. The guide will cover various aspects from basic understanding of camera components, setting, shooting technique, to simple editing process. The aim of this project is to equip users with basic knowledge with a fundamental understanding of how a digital camera works, including its main function, image capture, basic video recording, media file management, simple editing with this easy-to-understand guide. This guide is expected to help ordinary users better understand and utilize digital cameras to produce basic quality photos and videos. This project aims to provide a solid foundation for users to continue developing their skill in photography and videography.
Okay, I will explain the project relates with course. The first, photography. We're able to understand the basic principles of composition, lighting, and camera setting. Next, videography. Able to understand the concept of exposure, ISO, aperture, shutter speed, white balance, and focus. Next, multimedia network. Now, various multimedia export, and now the types of multimedia networks. Next, broadcasting. Broadcasting contributes to video production, audio quality, and editing, and can contribute. Next, animation 2D, able to implement the concept of animating text and layers. Next, editing system, able to explain the basic concept of editing system. Next, production script. Production scripts are influential in designing interesting and effective narrative in our project. Next, project output. The first video script, logbook, PBL documentation, contribution member, problem and solution, and next plan. Okay, I will be continue by Eva.
Number 2 is the script. Next, script of the section of the picture. Next, number 3, logbook. This is next. This is the picture section of logbook. I will be the control by Ilham.
For PBL documentation, next. This is PBL documentation photo. Next, 5 contribution member. The next will be continue Rega.
Contribution member on PBL project. Tasks and working member. The first one, RPP, all member, script, all member, storyboard, Amareva Ruda Karimsyah, and Almadita Zulfa. Logo animation, Arya Bayu Hera Ramadan. Shooting video, all member, cameraman, all member, talent, all member. Editing, still don't know who will working the editing. Next. 6, problem and solution. Problem and solution. Problem, the first one, having difficulty containing a lecturer. The second, having difficulty borrowing some camera equipment. The third, confusion of making a script for the video. And then the solution, 1, meet up the chat with a lecturer. 2, use on camera or borrow from another team. 3, looking at reference in Google, YouTube, and another application. The next will be continued by Putra.
Okay, 7, next plan. Next work plan. Next up will be our second video production on how to shot indoor and outdoor. This part of my scene in the practicum camera section. Next.
We think that's all from our presentation. Thank you very much.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.